Welcome to my recap with live trades. As always, I hope you enjoy this content. Today's going to be a pretty short video. I'm not going to show all my trades because some of them are just pathetic and just a joke. But like I'd get in one contract with Apple and sell for $15 loss, and then get in one more contract, didn't learn my lesson the first time, and then I would take a $13 win. It's like kind of a joke. Anyways, so I need to work on that. But however, I'm going to show you get the idea of my trading today. So I ended the day up 0.68%. It's only $37 in my $5,500 account. Yeah, it's a pretty uneventful day. But anyways, get to it. There's one good trade, like Amazon. I almost had like a 1.5 or 2% win, whatever it was, but didn't quite get filled. Yeah, and then I was in a Tesla trade. I don't have it recorded, but second I entered, my platform shut down. Interactive brokers just shut down. I was like, what the heck? I couldn't get logged in on my phone. I was freaking out. I ended up making like $30 on that, so that kind of saved me on the day. I mean, well, not really. I was only at like $7 or something, and then I had my internet go down again, so wasn't my day. But anyways, first trade Tesla. As you can see, we have this crazy bottoming tail doji here, and then we have the next candle. We've already broken above the first candle's high. This is 1 minute chart here. So why am I not in yet? And why did I take this trade when I took it? I don't know. But anyways, as you can see, these little blue lines here next to Tesla. Tesla's on the bottom right here, by the way. That's where I was mapping out pre-market. But in DOS Trader Pro, it doesn't. If you don't have pre-market on, it kind of shows the levels weird, these trend lines. So anyways, first trade Tesla. So I'm gonna get a 640 call, and I get in on the ask. Pulls me at 614. Did not feel comfortable in this trade because I knew I missed my entry, and if I don't get a precise entry and ideally get in on the bid, then kind of throws me off sometimes. So I got out there for an $8 win minus commission. So $6, woohoo. Next trade, it's on Tesla again. So in between then, I had these two Apple trades I explained earlier in the video. Now Tesla here, we have this ABCD pattern. Also, I don't know, this could be a double bottom here because these look pretty even here. And for a double bottom to be valid, it just has to break above this pivot right here, and which it already did. So why am I not in the trade? Might ask. I don't know. I think at the time I was thinking these are two wide range bars. Here are these two green bars. And I thought, maybe we'll get close to that pivot, and then we'll kind of act like we're going to go down and then trap some bears, and then we'll squeeze up. I was kind of hoping for that, but then I just jumped in on impulse. So I get in on the bid, I believe, on this one. Getting a 630 call at 10:16. I get in on the bid. Um, 95% sure that was on the bid, but yeah, and I sell on the. Yeah, I think that was a trade. I bought on the bid and sold in the ask. There's a little market making there, but that was uneventful. I was just off today, 100%. I've been off more so lately, so more often lately. So really need to recognize that and work on it. And I'm journaling about it and documenting all my trades, and I manually input each trade. So hopefully I get to the bottom of this. But of course, this is a lifelong journey of learning. Anyways, so Amazon. Actually, you know what? I think Amazon is a trade. I get on the bid there. Or I get on the bid there, and then I tried to get filled right before this trade on the bid. Didn't get filled. I get filled on the bid there, and then I'm going to sell on the ask. I try to sell on the ask, and I end up. So 1286 is my entry. Try to get out at 14, right? And I could have made like 75 bucks or something on the trade, but I didn't. I tried to get out at 14. Didn't get fill. I ended up taking a small loss on this one. It's all good. Yeah, so the Tesla trade was a bid and ask. I got in on the bid, sold in the ask. Amazon, tried to get on the bid, didn't, then got filled on the bid, and then tried to get filled on the ask, not get filled. So I threw an order out on the bid, and I got filled. So I lost $20, $21 on that one. So anyways, after that, I don't really have them in the video, but you know, a flat LVS trade, a small winner on Boeing, $14 win there, and then so then here you can see Tesla. I think it's right here. Yeah, it's not gonna show it, but yeah, Tesla. Anyways, I get in Tesla and then it shuts down. That's where it shut down. It's trying to get back in. I get back in, and so I got in it, bought it at 645, and then I sold on my phone. I was freaking out. If I wouldn't have sold, it would have been great. I would have made a lot more money, but another, 175 bucks or 200 bucks. But if I would have held to the ideal point, but which wouldn't have happened. But I ended up making 30 bucks on that trade, and then internet went out again, like I said, and I ended up the day, as you can see here. Goodbye.